It's hard to get bored of that view, but I sure am getting bored of this scruffy hair, so let's go and see if I can get a haircut here in Tirana, Albania. Come on, let's go. 5th floor. I think you might like to see the apartment actually. I think in the next video we'll have a look at the apartment here in Tirana, but for today, let's get this hair sorted out. We've got a lot planned this week. So this is our apartment block. There's a supermarket just over here. And there's many places around here that do haircuts. Today I've got to find out which one can fit me in. Daddy. The old lady there. I met her the other day when I went to get some food. She was having pizza. There's quite a lot of construction going on, but these little alleyways, they're really like little mouse runs. If you look from the balcony, I thought she was talking to me then. Oh, I do hate that. I do hate that. Only but shards of glass on top of a wall. I hadn't noticed that before. It's on this wall as well. I know why they do it. I just think it's so ugly and unnecessary. And I just think of a small child going over the wall to get their ball back. But I know why they do it. So yeah, we're in the little alleyways and small roads that run between two major roads that head down into the city centre. And I passed a hair salon just there, but there are more up near the high street here. And one I have in mind in particular, those are little coffee bars. So there's a Ursi coffee bar here, and there's another coffee bar here. Coffee culture in Albania is really strong, and cat culture as well. Look at this cat here, look, having a little snooze on the car. Another set of apartments being built here. Eventually I think all of these older buildings will vanish and new apartments being built. This is prime central Tirana, so it's kind of understandable. Guy carrying a fresh olive tree. Okay, I'm just going to turn the camera off while I have a chat with the guys in the barbers. There's a barber's here and another barber a little further, and see if any of them are up for me to film inside, because I know you guys like to see. Now, I've done haircuts. Where have I done them now? Mexico, Japan, Vietnam, America, Italy, South Korea. Lord, I think there must be a whole playlist of haircuts on the channel. If you're into this sort of thing, you can check them out. So this is the first place I was thinking of, Frankfurt. Now that place looks good, but got a queue of one. Let's just check out one other place. I've got a video coming up. I haven't even filmed it yet. But we found an amazing restaurant just nearby serving real traditional Albanian food. And that'll either be coming up next or one after next, because I haven't filmed it. But I think you're really going to enjoy it. This is proper traditional, locally sourced and produced Albanian food, not far from here. Anyway, look out for that video. Let's get this haircut done. Dolce Abe. Remind me to show you in this place as well. A fuel station here. I wonder what the price of diesel is. Oh, there it is. Diesel 173, premium 185. Benzene, I'm guessing that's petrol, 95, yeah, 95 octane, 173. So 173 lek per litre, and gas is 60, so gas under half price. LPG. They have LPG here? Maybe they do. I don't see an oh, okay, order gas over there. Oh yeah, they do have. Oh, and there's a guy filling up the gas bottle. I might blur that out because I'm not sure you're supposed to fill up the gas bottles there. So 60. Now I'm pretty sure in Europe the price for LPG is double that. I could be wrong. Wow, you can tell it's getting to Christmas. All the Christmas colours are coming out. What are we today? I think we must be 2nd of December. I got to check again. Not 100% sure. 3rd of December. I was thinking of doing a sort of vlogmas, a video every day throughout December, but I think it's too much. We're already going to be producing quite a bit of content this month, I think. Okay, there's another little salon, a little barber shop just around here. I want to check this one out. Whoop. 10 seconds to get across the road. And there's a barber's over there as well, look. I don't see the street names, so I can't say where the streets are, but that one is Nini Barbers. Any street names anywhere? I don't see street names. Can anybody see a street name anywhere? That's very peculiar. Am I just missing them? I've noticed since I've been in Tirana, I can't find a street name of anywhere. The place I was heading to is just opening. Good morning. Okay. So, he's just opening, 700 lek for a haircut. That'll do. What is that, about €7? This is Mike, he's gonna do our haircut today. Can I put the camera here, Mike? It's okay? Okay. Thank you, bro. Shall I take this off? No, don't worry. No? A little like this, a little like this, but nice and short here, like this.
Like this?
A little more, little more, but short. And Mike is what's your Albanian name?
Nimet.
Nimet. Nimet, Mike. Time to look sharp. At last, my hair is getting messy. Wow. I've noticed here in Albania, they're very good at fading the hair. It's really nice. They're good job. I think the last time I had hair like this, it was in Philadelphia. So Mike, is it your shop? Your place?
It's mine.
Cool. How many years?
11 years.
11 years, huh? Wow. And this restaurant next door, how many years?
18 years.
18.
18.
Oh, wow. You know the family? Yeah. I like the food here, man. And we're just bringing that all together now. Good job, man. Look at that. A good barber knows how to use the scissors as well as the clippers. Good man, good job. See, a barber that knows his tools, and this guy, even though I've not got a lot of hair, he's made it feel like I've got a good head of hair. Mike the Barber. Thank you, Mike. Beautiful job. Sharp, looking good. What a good job. I want a picture with this guy. Photograph with this guy. Mike, thank you.
Thank you.
And I'll see you next door
Okay.
for food next time.
Okay, bye.
All right, take care. Thank you, bro. Oh, that feels good. That feels very good. So, Mike Barber here. Now, there's a story to be had about this restaurant next door, but that's for another day. I feel good. So I don't know what street it's on. I'll try and put the coordinates down here, but I feel really fresh, and I love the fact to say Mike's follically challenged, a little bit like myself. You know that he's put a lot of attention into the cut, and I always think the hair looks so much nicer, and you feel much fresher when it's cut well. So big thank you to Mike Barbers. There are so many barbers around. I mean, you've got many to choose from. But when you find a good one, I think next time I go there, I think all the prices are clearly marked. It was 700 lek. I gave him 1,000. And I think next time, if I get a chance to go to Mike's again, I'm going to get a little growth in there and get a shave as well. Right, so let's head back to the apartment. As I was saying to you before, I'm going to give you a, maybe in the next video, the video after this, I'll give you a little tour of the apartment with a few extra little treats there as well. In the meantime, we've got a sort of slow day ahead. I'm going to get this video edited and get it put up onto the channel so you can check out how the hair goes. This has become our little suburb of Albania. Skanderbeg Square is just 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes walk in that direction. So it's really well located. I'm going to cross over. I should wait for the crossing really, but I want to get to this side of the street. It's a little quieter. So I think I'm going to sign off here. Happy with the haircut. Let me know what you think. There's a whole playlist of haircuts from all over the world. I can't even remember how many we've done by now. Love to all be good. I'll see you in the next day or so. Take care. Good morning. Where are we off to today? What is this? Good morning, Mihal. What is this? I'm going to go out and get the old hair cut up. I know I haven't got a lot, but we're going to get it looking smart and dandy. The Asian barbers to me are like the traditional old barbers. Got this lovely little red archway. There's another one further down, probably leading to a temple. Should we go down there and just check it out? Yeah, let's go and have a look. Well, this pretty little house here. All the really nicely trimmed trees outside.